Hello guys, my name is Leila and this is gonna be my video blog. I got some makeup so I can do some stuff with it. And don't worry if you don't have these products, because you can just buy this. All of this came from Walmart, so you can just buy it from Walmart. So this is it. We have tons of stuff that we're going to be using, but first we're going to start with the basic. First, I'm going to do the lipstick. This lipstick is a little bit different. And then close it. Next up, we're going to do something a little bit more fun. This is a product that you would see most of the time. You use this for it. I had to take my glasses off for it. So this you dip in here. Dip. And then you still see it looks like I have a little blushy cheeks. Don't do too much of that. Next up, we're going to be using I'll just use it. This is for like our eyes right here. Pick any color. If you don't have these colors, just doesn't matter. So you're gonna dip this in there. Does it show? Now the other eye. There, it's sparkly. Oh no, Joy. The dog. Let's see you're rolling around with there. Next up, we have a brush. I'm gonna use it for this. Open it. Let's go the other way. This is for our cheeks. Gotta know when you put too much. Done with this. next up, we are going to do this. Wait. I can't open most of this stuff. They're different colors. I'm gonna get a different brush for this one. I'm gonna get a little bit of purple. See how it looks. Okay, next up. You might not have this, but what is this?
Lip gloss.
Oh, it's lip gloss. This is like lip gloss that you can see. Dip it in there a couple times. Can I just keep that right there? So next up, we're gonna use this again, just with this squishy. The same thing that I showed you has a mirror on it. Don't know why. Poof, 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 poof. There, I'm gonna put a little bit too much of red on here, so I want to make it blend in a little bit. Now, if you have glasses, you can put them back on. Next up, it's for our nails. Your nail file. Just be careful that you don't chip your nail. Okay, that's good enough. Next up, this is just to show you. These, I have two, are nail polish that we're not going to use today. But this is for your eyebrows. There. So, thank you for watching this if you are, and leave a review if you want me to do one with the nail polish video.
Say bye.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.